y'all, Mythic Rare here. Thank you to all my A1 Day 1 subscribers. For anybody new here or is just passing through, welcome. So we have a finish. This is Christmas Ornaments by Auclair Studio. I had started this back on November 15. As of this recording, it is December 18. I had just finished this a few moments ago, and I collected my thoughts to make a post review. So this had 48 colors. It was around 9 inches by 9 inches, 22.8 by 22.8 centimeters. It had a pretty good mix of confetti versus color blocking. I did this for the events Winter with DAC and Jingle Drills. I get it. Like, people are saying, like, no, it must be 30 by 30 or like whatever dimensions, and this is smaller, it doesn't qualify, da da da. You know, some of us just want a few moments out of our day to carve to ourselves. And I fully understand. I am just one person out of 1,700 or however many are participating on the interwebs. I think it'd be kind of foolish of me to expect, like, every single time I go and I do an event to get a prize, you know? But I just mainly like doing these because, number one, it keeps me from freaking out from, like, the level of family stuff I gotta do. Like, this gives me, like, a break away from all of that. That's the main reason. And also, I like to see what other people do, like what other canvases and things like that, because sometimes, like, those videos, they just don't do it justice. Sometimes, like, honestly, if I'm gonna be sold on a canvas now after having been in this craft for a few years, I, like, need to see, like, the actual finished work sometimes, or even like work in progress shots for me to even be swayed into buying a canvas. I mean, it's just, you know, like, it is what it is. Sometimes, like, when they're, I mean, yeah, I already said it. Can't say it any better. Not even gonna try. But this one actually would have been a really, really quick workup for me. Again, family obligations with the holidays and stuff, and at work. I work 40 hours. So, you know, it's like all of that. Like, it's a miracle that I can get anything done right now. But I managed to pull this off, so I am, like, super happy. It was actually my first entire kit that I've done with the twist and pick pen and with the new tray. So, you know, there was that. And then, like, my Drills and Chills kit, I used this, and then I decided to use this again, the Diamond Art Club storage. So I got the full, you know, Diamond Art Club experience. Like, yeah, absolutely. If you just, you know, one-stop shop, one single box, you know, as long as the storage is available, absolutely. Like, you can, this is a Amazon exclusive. So you can even, when the storage is in stock, you can even have it, like, primed to your front door in 2 days. I know that the storage right now is out of stock and it goes like hotcakes, but they're also $45 a pop for the storage, so it is very cost prohibitive. I just spent like kind of the same, like about the same price point on Amazon for Elizabeth Ward bead storage, and I got a 45 and an 82 set of containers for the same price. How the storage stacks up to Elizabeth Ward, I don't know. Like, the Elizabeth Ward containers are still in their box. I'm sure you can find people on YouTube, like, they've probably done it a million times now. But what I will say about the Diamond Art Club storage kit is that kind of approach those containers with the same mentality as like opening up a new makeup palette. Cause like the lids on those suckers are super tight. Like you could very easily lose a nail to those things unless like you're using the back end of your tweezers or something to open them up, like for your very first kit or so you work on. But you know, with it being the second kit around, like I can very easily like wedge my fingernail underneath it and easily pop the containers open. They're not like going to be where they, once you get it open, they'll never like want to shut again or be like flimsy and fly off like the Tic Tac containers, but like they do get easier over time. So that is something that I will say to that. Also, be very careful with the Diamond Art Club pens, because if they roll and they like hit the ground, or sometimes they get banged around in shipping, you could have something like this happen where it like cracks and then your putty sploots out the side. So then you'll just like keep twisting and then you won't see anything come out the end. So yeah, like definitely be careful. If there was anything that I would have to say is that like I wish that Diamond Art Club honestly could make this entire piece either metal, number one, or number two, like take a page out of one of the small shop books. I think it's Diamond Pen Pal. I don't know, correct me in the comments who has this, but have one side be flat. Like have it be a roll stop pen if you're going to keep this part plastic, because it's like, well, what's the point of there being a putty cartridge if like the side of the thingamajig is just going to break and then it just like sploots out the side. I've had it happen with the pen from my mini kit and then like with this pen. So I'm just, you know, because it's like two pens in a row so far, I thought that it needed to be talked about. But I really do love these trays. Like, I love the fact that it, like, when you have a lid, like, the spout won't come out. Like, it's very easy slide on off. I do not like how close these lines come to the edge. I have a few of the new releases. Like, you'll probably see this in, like, a couple weeks or so. I just, like, need to edit them all down and stuff, because I just, like, batch recorded a lot so that I could be fully present during the actual holidays. But they have fixed the thing with the lines being so close to the walls on the trays, so I like really love that. This is from my mini kit with the diner food, but just wanted to show you that if you're getting this, it is in fact the same size kit or the same size tray that comes with your mini kits. And they are supposed to stack. I mean, I guess they stack on top of each other like that, but they don't snap together. I don't know. Or maybe the ones where it's like the little canvases don't necessarily stack with the mini kits. Huh. Yeah, if you know the answer to that one, comment that down below as well. But yeah, like overall, I am really, really happy with this kit. It had one AB and it had 3 fairy dust. The drills, I'm not going to get into like showing all those off, but there were so few drills in this kit that I'm not even going to save those. Well, I mean, I might save the fairy dust and the AB, but the rest I am going to get rid of. There's just, you know, not enough here to justify me saving. But yeah, like that is pretty much it for the post review on this. Like, I totally think it would be a good addition for somebody's diamond painting collection if they're just looking for something snack sized, if they just got done with a big project and you're kind of like not sure what to get somebody, you know that they don't have this in their stash yet, or if you want to introduce somebody to diamond painting for the first time. Like, I think that that would be a really good kit. Maybe just bring for some cheaper storage solutions. But yeah, like very, very beautiful as always from Auclair Studio. And I snuck in another finish. Woo woo. All right, I'm going to go kit down and I will see you all later. Bye.